It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coin. If you invest $100 in Shiba Inu coin now, you will become wealthy, as Robert Kiyosaki showed. SHIB updates. On December 5th, as markets continued to digest last week's jobs announcement, the price of Shiba Inu surged. The positive aspect highlights the U.S. labor market's ability to withstand higher interest rates and raises the prospect of a Goldilocks situation in which the Fed continues to hike rates, as long as the economy remains expanding and no large-scale layoffs take place. On Monday, that would be a huge boon for stocks and cryptocurrency. Robert Kiyosaki recently made headlines when he said that everyone who invests $100 in Shiba Inu currency today will become wealthy. Upcoming SHIB news. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. On December 5th, Shiba Inu shocked traders with a staggering upward rise. The Asia-Pacific session saw an intraday gain of 8% at one point. The Chinese government loosened its COVID policy even further, which supported that upward movement. As the U.S. job data revealed resilient sentiment, there is hope for a soft landing in the U.S. The Fed is close to its pivot and often begins cutting rates soon after, so this might be the catalyst for a reversal. SHIB must complete one critical task today. It must close above the green ascending trend line in order to bolster the present breakout. The area above the trend line can then be used by bulls to bolster the surge once again. Near the R1 resistance level for December, you can expect to see the 55-day and 200-day simple moving averages smash close to 0.000000 and $1,100 respectively before reaching 0.00001250. There is a precarious balance between all asset classes right now. All it takes to disrupt the existing correlations is for a single Fed member to make a headline that says something different from what the markets are expecting. The aforementioned equity tailwind could then disintegrate, collapse rapidly, turning into a headwind that causes prices to fall below the green rising trend line. Anticipate a level of support close to 0.00000900 USD, keeping tabs on. The moves made by the largest players in the cryptocurrency industry might help you anticipate substantial shifts in the market. These massive traders, often referred to as whales, have the power to drastically alter market prices. Because blockchains are decentralized and public, anyone with access to the internet may monitor crypto whales transactions in real time. It seems like crypto whales has a big stake in Shiba Inu. According to a recent on-chain study, Shiba Inu presents a more nuanced case because the breed is still too often stereotyped as a meme currency that can make you rich fast. However, Shiba Inu should be proud that the makers of this meme coin have been actively working to increase its worth. Increasing the burn rate of Shiba Inu has, of course, been the most drastic change. There were originally 1 quadrillion coins in circulation when Shiba Inu started, thus the coin will have to keep burning coins if it ever wants to reach $1. This meme coin is still only worth 0.00009177 USD due to the enormous Shiba Inu surplus. There have been efforts by Shiba Inu to make their coin more useful as well. One example is the new online metaverse world that Shiba Inu has been creating, where land can be bought and sold using cryptocurrency. Additionally, it collaborates with stores and brick-and-mortar establishments to have Shiba Inu recognized as a valid payment method. American Airlines is one example of a company that has recently won. You can use Shiba Inu to pay for your plane ticket when you're ready to plan your next getaway. Crypto whales are the ones who typically influence market movements. This dynamic is analogous to that which occurs in the stock market, when large hedge funds and individuals like Warren Buffett influence the decisions made by individual investors about certain stocks. So it may be feasible to foresee future market movements and acquire a better picture of market mood by routinely checking what these whales are doing. Investigating the cryptocurrency holdings of large whales can provide you with useful trade ideas. Along with that, you may learn more about the token allocation strategies and total holdings of the world's largest crypto investors. Based on the volume of trades it processes every day, Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange. Following the sale of all of its FTT assets and the subsequent collapse of FTX, it has even managed to establish itself as one of the biggest players in the crypto market in the past several weeks. The victor is Binance. It's possible that SHIB's retest of a previously broken level of support will trigger another drop. Bullish scenarios can only be formed if there is a persistent barrier and consolidation over $0.000001,000. On December 5th, Shiba Inu was among the prominent gainers as the meme coin reached a 3-week high. following which it hit rock bottom on Sunday at 0.00000923. The Shiba Inu is now trading around a critical resistance level, having reached its highest point since November 11th, thanks to today's gains. Instead of continuing to try and push the token beyond its current maximum of $0.000110, SHIB bulls decided to cash out their previous investments and pocket the profits. With a current market value of $0.00009866.6, meanwhile, the relative strength index RSI is getting close to 56.00, which is its own resistance level. At this very moment, the index is selling at 55.39. Chris Capra, a former top hedge fund manager, is legit. He is assisting hundreds of traders with his real-time trade alerts and his straightforward options trading approach. According to the official SHIB Superstore Twitter feed, an incredible 3.27 billion SHIB tokens have already been burned by the initiative. This project started burning SHIB tokens in November 2021 and is projected to keep burning billions of tokens in the years to come. Eliminating currency from circulation is what token burning is all about. The standard procedure is to send the cryptocurrency to an address that does not have a private key linked to it, making it impossible to collect the funds. The previous week saw 223 million SHIB tokens burned, while the latest 7 days saw 50 transactions completed and 126 million SHIB tokens burned. These whales went through 3 separate processes on December 6th, transporting around 280 billion Shiba Inus. A Binance trader made a killing. In 3 separate processes, these whales have carried more than 280 billion Shiba Inus. Curiously, one whale sold Binance hundreds of millions of bitcoins. Anonymous wallets have transferred over 281 billion SHIB tokens in the last 24 hours, according to Etherscan data released by the Shiba Play Twitter account. These came after sales of 115 billion Shibas on Friday. An individual who uses Twitter disclosed 3 transactions with Shiba Inus, valued at $120,670,363,906, $83,341,872,681,950,350,951,331,254. The first transaction in 24 hours was directed towards one of the wallets. For the time being, the Seswork Cryptos Retras this wallet and the other both sent SHIB. They are now completely out of Shiba Inu, transferring 83,341,872,681 SHIB to a different wallet, allowed the buyer to repurchase Shiba in 3 large transactions. The specific quantities of Shiba Inus that he purchased were 243,639,085, 269,600 all 3 of these emails promptly forwarded the full shipment to different locations. As the price of the second biggest meme coin oscillates, whales make money by purchasing Shiba Sat when it drops in value and selling it when it briefly climbs in value. An anonymous whale sent 114,952,894,138 SHIB to a wallet that ends in negative 7E6C on Friday, according to Cryptocoin.com. Following then, a Binance wallet received this substantial amount of Shiba with the intention of selling it. At the time, the sum of Shiba was around $1.4 million. Etherscan reports that all 4 wallets simultaneously transfer substantial amounts of Shiba to a single Binance address. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe